Here's one for the Mustang fans. 2014 Ford Mustang GT Coupe. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile vehicle. Just a little over 8,000 miles is all in this one. 8,603. The 5-liter V8, 302 cubic inch power underneath the hood. That is paired up with a 6-speed shiftable automatic transmission. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. There's a good look at the front fascia, grille, headlights, driving lights, Oxford white with the charcoal interior. Check out the still pictures. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on a Shelby chrome wheel. Great stance to this car as well as great sound. We're going to fire it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. And if you stick around to the very end, Jason's going to take it for a drive. You can see this paint shows well also. It's not full of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Side glass has been tinted as well as the rear, so know your local and state laws as far as the window tint. Percentage of the darkness that you can have. Rear quarter window treatments. Little custom stubby antenna. This vehicle spent the majority of its life in Texas, so southern vehicle. It's not been driven in climate weather. Some nice tasteful modifications done on it. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. A couple notes from the technician on this one that looked at it in their service department. Said extremely clean underside. No seeps, leaks, anything like that. Does have a fresh oil change. Brakes straight. No pulls left or right. Brakes are 75% in the front, 80% in the rear. Does come with owner's manual, copy of the window sticker. Front tires in good shape, 2020. Ones in the rear are basically like new. And up and down this driver's side, you can also see, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. And like I said, the car's got a nice stance to it. Let's go ahead and check out this interior a little closer. So you're in the charcoal interior, and of course your power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Take a look at the bolster. Really not much wear on the seat at all. Steering wheel controls. Stock stereo system, and that is all working. There it is, 8,603 miles, and you kind of get that where it looks like it's blinking. It's not doing that in person. That's due to the phase in the camera when I'm doing the video. So that's just like normal when you're sitting here looking at it. Gauge is working. No service engine soon. Check engine light, anything like that. Nice exhaust note. Listen to this. Sounds good. All right, let me get up to the front. I'm gonna have to pause this a second so I can get this hood open, propped up, and then stick around at the very end. Jason's gonna take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. There it is. Look at how clean that hood liner is. Like I said, it doesn't appear this has been driven in climate weather. and engine bay. 5-liter. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. That is paired up with that 6-speed shiftable automatic. Smooth runner, plenty of power. Sounds good, looks good. Clean Carfax, low miles, what more do you want? 2014 Ford Mustang GT Coupe. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the pics. Like I said, look at the underside pics. Very, very clean car. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 2014 Ford Mustang. This is an automatic, which makes it easy to drive. Nice looking white Mustang. Of course, controls on the steering wheel. Best thing about this car is the sound. In my opinion. Of course it looks good, it drives good, it's a Mustang. Comfortable bucket seats in this car. Good looking gauges. I'd almost say those gauges are kind of retro style. They look really good. This car, again, like new, as a lot of our vehicles are, less than 8,700 miles on it. It's, I mean, you couldn't even call that broken in. It's like, it's fresh. If you're looking for a 2014, say maybe you really love this particular type of Mustang and you're looking for one that's practically new, this would be a good example. Stereo sounds good.
Cars built by local business.
Of course, they're just talking, but it sounds good. Nice black interior. A little bit of silver accenting. Brakes are nice and smooth. Nice fat leather steering wheel. You know, just big enough to get a good grip. Power steering working excellent. Corners nice and flat. Definitely a performance-oriented Mustang. And you really feel it when you put your foot down. Nice acceleration. Again, easy to drive with that automatic. Check out all the pictures of this 2014 Mustang at UniqueClassicCars.com.